Hi everyone! It's my favourite time of the week again, where we do our celebration certificates. You'll also see that coming out today is my first newsletter of the year and some photographs at the end of the assembly of our new values displays. We're really proud of them. Thank you to all the children for all their contributions. Let's have a look and see who's done some brilliant learning this week.
First up, we have reception, what an A and what an B.
Our very first certificate in What an A goes to Ella. This is for showing resilience for coming into school on her own with a smile on her face. That's lovely to hear, Ella. Well done. In What an B, Luke has been very responsible at tidy up time. He goes around the classroom making checks, ensuring all the chairs are tucked in and everything is put away. How helpful, Luke. Well done you.
Next we move to Year 1 and 2 and Coniger class.
From Coniger class, Jack,
Olivia and Peyton have been incredibly kind and respectful. They tidied up the whole classroom, even though it was not their mess, without Miss B even asking them to. Thank you so much, you three. That's incredibly helpful.
In Bothen class, Misha has settled into BPS brilliantly. Lovely to have you here, Misha. And from Allington, Flo. And Flo's certificate is for always being polite and considerate. Thank you, Flo. It makes such a difference. Now we move to Key Stage 2, to Year 3. Jessie's certificate is for being resilient in everything she has done this week and trying her best. Well done, Jessie.
And from Chilcombe B, Iola has also been developing her resilience, coming into class happier and much more settled. That's great to hear, Iola.
In Egerton A, Noah and Rowan have set an amazing example to the rest of the class for their behaviour, their attitude to learning and their presentation in all subjects. Great stuff, boys. Fantastic. From Egerton B, Rhodey's certificate is for being polite to all adults and children. It's a pleasure to have you in the class. Daisy and Robin are always responsible in their learning. They learn their spellings at home, they share their learning on Seesaw, and they should both be very proud of their work. Fantastic, girls, well done. Next on to Year 5 and Colmers A. Amelia has been showing her resilience, having a go and trying her very best, even though it was very, very tricky and she was very tired. Maddie has been kind and respectful to the adults in the class. She picks things up for Mrs. Day when she drops them without being asked. That's really helpful, thank you. In Colmers B, Tallulah and Phoebe have both shown the value of resilience. They've been working hard to complete their learning. Your teachers have been particularly impressed by having a have-a-go attitude. It's been really great to hear contributions to the class discussions. Absolute superstars. Finally to Year 6. To Jack in Langdon A for being responsible and creative with his learning. It's been great to see him use vocabulary learnt in the class novel in his own piece of writing. Zach has provided some great reasoning related to saucepans and Spitfires during a class quiz on World War II rationing. I'm intrigued about that, Zach. Well done to both of you boys. And in Langdon B, Adam has shown great amounts of resilience and responsibility in all areas of his learning this week, but particularly in his maths. Maisie has been being very creative and responsible in English lessons, writing an evacuee letter. Well done. Well done to all our learners this week, to everyone who has got a certificate. It's time to take a moment to reflect on your own week now. Have a think about What have been the high points? What have been your real successes this week? What have you tried hard with and succeeded? What will you work on next week? Will it be you that gets one of my certificates? I hope you enjoyed celebrating all our achievements this week and that you have a lovely weekend. Take care.